Your floors are one of the main sources for cross-contamination of pathogens. More than 1.7 million hospital-acquired infections occur in the United States each year, resulting in $40 billion in hospital spending. Traditional mop heads struggle to clean the hard-to-reach crevices found in today's textured flooring. By combining disposable microfiber pads with 4,100 RPMs of superior cleaning power, the Doodle Mop obliterates the biofilm buildup commonly found in luxury vinyl tile and other textured flooring. The Doodle Mop works great wet or dry and greatly improves soil and biofilm removal on LVT, VCT, tile and grout, rubberized flooring, and more.